Hello again. We're going to be talking about I do portions of a lab or a class. So there's I do, we do, and you do. So I do will start out with the teacher showing the students how to do an activity or master a topic. Then we do is doing it together, student and teacher, and then you do would be the students doing it on their own. So this is an I do lab. So I will just be showing you all how to do this, and this is something that you can do later. So I'm on this website called BrainPop, and there are plenty of different topics and standards and grade levels that they have pre-made. And so this one is for a first grade level about food chains. And so on this website, there are different aspects like quizzes, challenges, making a map, making a movie, etc. And so we're going to be making a map. So if you click on that, and then it'll load. So here we have a food chain, and there's a video in the corner that you can play for your students. But so I'm going to be creating a food chain. And so we're going to start out with some of the seagrass at the bottom of this food chain. Then the shrimp will eat the seagrass. And then there's going to be small fish. So these little fish will eat this shrimp, and that is showing the food chain. But then there's a bigger fish that comes in. And that larger fish is going to be eating the smaller fish. I'm going to move myself up here a second so I can zoom out and show you more. And then let's say that the bear is going to eat the large fish. And so this is an activity you can do with your students, and you can ask them of these different creatures on the side here, these different images. The students can play around with it then. There's some cows, some birds, some a leaf. But this is a great activity to help show students what a food chain is and how if we got rid of all the shrimp, or if we got rid of all the large fish, for example, what will the bear eat then? The bear would have to eat a bunch of little fish, which would continue to deplete that the little fish in the pond. And so this is just a great activity to show students how to work with the food chain. And it's also an online manipulative that could be used during this time period because of COVID happening. An activity that students can do at home then as well. So that is a BrainPop, and just one example of many online labs that students can use. And now Michael is going to show you another lab.